Just realized my mic was muted. Anyways, my apologies for the delay. We're back at it again. Market just opened. Looking at the news here, it's 9/11. Never forget. And then a lot of yesterday, man. It's just a heaviness in the air, man, that's for sure. But Jesus is King, Christ is Lord, and he'll make good out of all the darkness that just recently happened. Without further ado, though, let's get into it. I had unemployment claims at 5:30. Like it was bad news. More unemployment claims than expected. So CPI though, more or less good. See what happened. Gotta connect my prop challenge account. Daily time frame. Looking bullish across the board. It's right off the top of my head. Not excited about that. That we're super. I have a strong bullish candle just because usually, right, considering the power of three, if it's a daily candle and you expect it to be bullish, ideally you want to buy near the open of that candle and the low, somewhere in between that area. But we're clearly beyond that. So essentially what I'm getting at is you want to buy at a discount, right? Nobody wants to buy at a premium. If right now it seems like we're at a premium, but nonetheless, we still got our higher time frame target still intact. Previous day's high essentially is what I'll be aiming for on MQ and ES, as well as Dow if we end up taking a look at Dow. But drop down on the 4-hour here on the MQ. Bullish order flow still holding. Swept these highs that were on the 15-minute. All-time high still intact. Look at this nasty wick. Just disgusting. But the wicks do the damage. That's all you gotta remember. Go down to the 15-minute. Had this liquidity here that we swept overnight. Taking a look at Asia and London. Both have already swept, so that's interesting. I mean, I think for me, liquidity-wise, I just want to look at previous day's highs right above here as a target. But yeah, 15-minute, man, this is real interesting. But even then, in the midst of this volatility, you can see that with this news event at 5:30, look at this 15-minute for rally gap that was tapped into. That's honestly kind of beautiful. Sudden rapid moves. You see how price still moves with efficiency. So now that we swept this, maybe expect some kind of retracement. Yeah, back down into here. But nonetheless, I like to wait till 6:45 to look for an entry. So let's leave that there. Yeah, I had that sweep there. Bringing market structure. See this inversion gap. This could be a potential play here. Just like that. That's manipulated and swept this liquidity, came down this inefficiency. We close above. That could be a play. And give it some more time. Honestly, might wait for the 7 a.m. candle to form. Strong bearish candle here on the hourly. We don't want to fall under a falling knife, you know what I'm saying? typically as well, once you see these massive wicks, at times you could expect price to come to 50% of that wick. So potential for that to come down to here. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, we're already past the 5 minute inversion. Let's take a look at ES. Weekly strong bullish candle. Daily strong bullish candle. Previous day's high still intact. Four-hour time frame. This bullish for value gap is holding up. Sweep yesterday. These lows. Swept these highs overnight. Moved down to here. Took out this low with the news event. 15-minute time frame. Once again, a sweep here. 5-minute inversion over here. So sweep of liquidity, break a market structure, retrace to some kind of value gap. And for me, got an inversion gap here. Be interested in playing. Right back. All right, price is approaching this 5-minute inversion. I'm gonna mark an alert here just to note when we make it right there. So we're good to look for entry if we want one. I like how the bodies we are respecting this inversion gap. Wow. Okay. Dow's pumping, so I think I might take this here. Start at that high. No, I think I'm gonna miss it. Dang it, we missed it. Oh my gosh. There's no way. That would that's a challenge for us, man. Good. I'm not gonna chase price like that. Dow previous daily high is a target. 4 hour value gap held. Swept this low. Can be seen as a manipulation. Yeah. Oh, yes, I'm an idiot. All right, weekly. Dow actually swept all time highs, but still target previous daily high. This is what I wanted to see overnight. If we were bullish, I want to see us trade through this fair value gap, and sure enough, you see we blasted through it already. Swept these highs. Yeah. Adios. That was gone. Man, I would have loved if only I was here. That's on me. Shouldn't have left the seat. But this was the play. Once we started creeping up right there, the low, target the high. Would have been clean. Let's look at a first presenter for value gap. There. We come back. Not worried about missing. These wicks are nasty though. The bodies tell the story, the wicks do the damage. I was looking at the bodies. I mean, we got pretty bullish structure. Pendulum shift here, but since we didn't close beneath here, I think we're solid, especially considering ES. Baby boy just woke up. I'm gonna make him a bottle real quick. I'll be right back. We back. Yeah. Think we might missed our shot here. Another version, so I'll play this one. Wow, it's already playing. Okay, for me, I want to look at the 4 hour because there's a new 4 hour candle gonna form here in 3 minutes. And so I think we'll continue to see a bullish move here with the next 4 hour. What I want to see is power three open, create a low, move higher. New hourly candles gonna form, open, create a low, higher. So 2450, maybe even 2400. Sheesh, absolutely. A big range gap there. Let's try trading hours. Center for red gap. And hourly candle just flipped. Oh no. Oh, I think we're definitely at a premium, but I think there's still a lot of meat left on the bone regarding potential move to the upside. Stays highs and all-time highs. 10 seconds till we got a new hourly candle. Candle I want to use for my entry. Go ahead, create a low for me. There it goes. I'm gonna play this inversion. Since we're coming off a win, probably increase my risk here to 200 on this next one. 23,967, 24,050. Stop loss 23,945. And I missed it. Let's go 65. Limit is set. Right there. If it tags me, it tags me. If it don't, it don't. We're tagged in. Second trade of the week. Holding myself to 3 trades per week. So there's that. MNQ right now looking weaker than its counterparts, ES and Dow, but it's fine with me. This isn't, as far as textbook setup, not what I look for, but I think since Dow and ES already had their strong moves up, I'm expecting NQ to follow suit as a lagger. Oh, we'll wait and see. A 20-point stop. Curious to know. Optimal entry projections in this range. So we went to equilibrium. Went past equilibrium. Okay, yeah, first standard deviation is above our target, so that's good. Got some low-hanging fruit as our objective. So far, this trade is going good. Come on. Take off now. Magic paintbrush. So yeah, yeah. Let's go. Saturday night. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Let me get that playing on the stream for the one time on YouTube. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on now. Come on now. I'm gonna go get my baby boy. He's wide awake. My baby boy. I'm make some coffee real quick, but before I do, I gotta play the anthem, the long anthem. Time it is. Pump it up. They call the market makers to pump it up.
That the sound hit the nation. Every Saturday night on your favorite radio. And the party's jumping, yeah. And the vibe feels so strong. Throw your hands in the air, lift your head up high. You know you've got to sing along. Don't you know?
I'm gonna move my stop break even here. Number one goal is capital preservation. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. Naz Dizzle. Who am I stop just below consequently first read? Because if we come back all the way down to here, that could mean that would invalidate my entry.
Oh.
What you gotta tell the people? Looks like I celebrated too early. Still, I'm gonna leave my stop loss here. Reduce my risk. Let's do 953 whole number. Let's go make some coffee, son. Ooh. Hands off the mouse and let's let NQ do his thing. All right, we're back. Looks like we got stopped out. Um, Part of the game, small losses. That's what's most important. Is that your winners win, but you must always have small losses. It's unfortunate, yeah. NQ isn't on the same energy as ES and Dow. I think it still has the potential to. Honestly, might consider going long again, but I also gotta get ready for work right now. So anything PM session would be able to have a setup, but I'm gonna be at work, so not an option for me at the moment. 4 hour, some bearish on NQ, but ES and Dow looks like a strong bullish candles in the form here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just call it a day. We still got tomorrow, 7 a.m. news, University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So not really tripping on this one. Um, like I said, I could live with small losses. At the end of the day, my job is to execute a high quality process over time. One trade means nothing, but the next 50 trades, that means everything. So gonna lick our wounds and come back for another day. Gotta learn from the losses. Y'all have a blessed day.